24-hour traffic network.
Bach has everything you're looking for. Unlock the legendary low Bach price on 1,000 Bach certified new-to-you vehicles starting at just $69.95. Many under $15,000, including trucks and SUVs at Bach.com. Just click Bach.com.
Here's the 4-day WBZ AccuWeather forecast.
Snow overnight should mix with and change to sleet and plain rain in some areas, but still there will be widespread travel issues. Temperatures slowly rising prior to daybreak. It should be in the mid-30s in Boston and along the coast. The total snow-ice accumulation combination, 1 to 3 inches for most, but there will be up to 6 inches of snow in southern New Hampshire. On Thursday, some leftover rain along the coast with icy spots farther inland. Clouds will break for some sun in the afternoon. It'll be windy and milder, high 49. Clear Thursday night, lows between 28 and 33, and lots of sun Friday and Saturday. High Friday 44, Saturday's high 42. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Kara Budinski, WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
Our top local story, a young Lowell girl is the state's third flu-related child death of the season. WBZ's Kim Tunnicliffe spoke with the girl's father.
The death of 4-year-old Cootie Rathme Sophie had left her parents devastated. Her father, Sophie Pock, says his daughter was a wonderful girl.
She's very smart and she's lovely. She plays music, she plays with me.
Pock says his daughter was coughing up blood last Tuesday, so he brought her to Lowell General. The doctor there sent the girl home the same day.
They told me to buy Tylenol for my
Pock says his daughter would get better, but on Saturday she took a turn for the worse. He called an ambulance, and within a few hours, his daughter died at Lowell General. The family only came to the U.S. from Cambodia 5 months ago. In Lowell, Kim Tunnicliffe, WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
More affordable housing for Boston.
We came up with an ambitious plan of 53,000 units of new housing by the year 2030. It's 1 unit at a time. And we want to build more than 1 unit at a time, but sometimes it's 1 unit at a time.
Mayor Marty Walsh says more than $26 million in new funding from a number of sources will pay for more than 500 units of affordable housing across the city. 2 Massachusetts men sentenced for a 2016 drug killing in Maine. The shooter, Marcus Asante of Pittsburgh, got 35 years in prison. Darren Goulding of Leominster, more than 4 years under a plea deal. A third-day stater is serving a 17-year prison term. Don Huff, WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
Hey, we'd like to get started. I'll talk to you, and you talk to me. Mr. Hadley.